In this lesson, we will discuss polymers. The prefix poly means many or multiple. Some molecules can join together to form larger molecules. Such large molecules, which results from the combination of many smaller molecules or monomers, are referred to as polymers. The process through which monomers join is known as polymerization. There are two types of polymers. These are those that occur naturally and the synthetic or human-made. Addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. Additional polymerization of some synthetic polymers. Addition polymerization occurs when unsaturated molecules or monomers join to form a long-chain molecules or polymer without the formation of any other product. The following animation shows the different kinds of additional polymers. Note that the double bonds between the carbon atoms are broken down, enabling many molecules to join each other to form a large molecule called a polymer. N stands for the number of monomer combining, which should be more than 2. The polymer is named after the monomer from which it is synthesized. Another example of a polymer is polystyrene, as shown in this animation. In condensation polymerization, monomers combine to form a long-chain molecule or polymer with the loss of small molecules like ammonia, water, or hydrogen chloride. The monomer should have at least 2 functional groups so that molecules can join at both ends, thus permitting formation of a chain. The following are examples of condensation polymers. Nylon is another example of a polymer and is shown in the following animation. The polymerization of amino acids involved 2 different monomers as shown by the following animation. The table below shows specific uses of various polymers. The table below shows the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic polymers and fibers. All living things contain polymers. Proteins, carbohydrates, wood, and natural rubber are all polymers. These polymers are formed in nature. Examples: starch, cellulose, for example, cotton wool, paper, silk, proteins, glycogen, fats, and rubber. The table below shows the advantages and disadvantages of natural polymers and fibers.